guys, Sergeant Tech Tips. Welcome to another video of my channel. So I'm going to be showing you how, this is my iPhone XR box, to move music from your device, from your computer to your device. This will be an iOS device, obviously. So this is only an iTunes method. You can do it if you don't have iTunes installed. It's just a little more complicated. But I'm going to be showing you the easy way. You will have to download iTunes. There will be a download link in the description below. I actually don't have it on my bar, and I probably should have it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up iTunes. Now, I'm obviously recording on my phone, but that's because I'm testing out the 4K 60 FPS. I upgraded my memory recently to 32 gigs of RAM of Patroit DDR3 memory. The clock speed is at 1600 megahertz. I'm just announcing that because a lot of people like this techie stuff. I'm testing the 4K, that's all I'm doing. This video will be rendered and uploaded in 4K. Probably 4K 30, but maybe 4K 60, we'll probably just do that. But so all you have to do is go to Add Folder to Library, and then you want to make sure all your music is in your music folder. And the reason for this is because it's easier to manage. You can add it on your desktop and click that folder as well, but I have all this music. But what you want to do is you want to click the music and then click Select Folder. I'm not going to do that because it's just going to give me a whole bunch of the same music, and I already went through that. So the next thing you want to do is get the cable, a USB to Lightning cable. This will not work. If you have an iPhone 12, you will have to find an older cable because I know the iPhone 12 is coming out. That's why I got the XR, because it doesn't come with a charger. This is a pre-owned phone anyway. So you're going to want to go ahead and open up your box, and you're going to want to get the Lightning cable from your phone. You don't have to. You can use another cable, but it's recommended to use the cable that came with your phone. I don't even know if this is a cable that came with it because I got it pre-owned. But I was going to keep that out anyway so I can transfer videos and stuff to my computer. So I'm not even sure how I'm going to do this. I'm probably just going to transfer it to Google Drive or something. So we can go ahead and put that box to the side. And then you want to go ahead and plug this into any available USB port on your computer. This is my new case, if you're wondering. It's a Coolermaster half 935 or 932 case. These USB ports are not great for this. Now, if you have USB 3, preferably plug it into that. You'll have better transfer speeds. Then all you got to do is plug it into your phone. So we're going to go ahead and switch over to the desktop with the headset, and I will see you in a minute. Alright guys, so we are on the desktop now, so all you have to do is take your Lightning cable that I showed you how to plug into the computer earlier. Obviously, a lot of people should know how to plug a USB in, but not everybody does. It's just a saying. So all you gotta do is plug it into the Lightning connector on your phone. So go ahead and plug it into your device. It should plug in automatically. Now, a thing will pop up on your phone saying, trust this computer. Go ahead and click trust. And then you want to say continue. You can go away. It's going to say, to allow access to, please respond to your iPhone. Now, if you have an app, Face ID, it's still going to ask you for a code. So just enter your code. Okay, so you got to do is enter your code. And then what you want to do is you don't have to have the device on or anything. It will take a second for iTunes to register it. There's going to be 2 download links. You can download it from the Microsoft Store. I'll leave that link because a lot of people like using that. Alrighty guys, so once you are done plugging in your phone and setting it up through iTunes, this is a good way to back up your phone. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because I personally like iPhones, mainly for the iMessage feature. Don't get me wrong, Android's definitely a good phone, and I'm going to talk about this type of thing because a lot of people might hate me for this, but it's okay because iPhones are amazing phones, and my XR, even with a broken screen, because that's how I got it, there is a screen protector over the broken screen, so I can't cut my finger or anything. Sorry if I talk fast, I do that a lot. But what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to the music section. The summary section will show you the amount of space you have, your IMEI number, and all this other info for your phone. Click on the music section and click Sync Music. Now it's going to say the amount of songs you want to, or the amount of songs in your library. You can select music playlist. You can select the playlist you want, so you don't have to do the entire, but I'm going to do the entire music library. Go ahead and click Apply. And then what it's going to do is it's going to sync it. A little syncing thing should pop up. If you have a notch, it'll pop up at the right-hand corner, and then it'll go away. If it's not going to do everything, that's fine, because not every file is going to go over. Just ignore that. That's just some stuff that I accidentally left in my music folder, and it registered it. I haven't deleted it yet. But then what you want to do is you want to scroll down to your notification center. Next to your battery percentage, it should show up with a little syncing icon. It's going to spin. I can probably put a little animation up in the right-hand corner of the screen, and if I do, that's what it's going to look like. But if you have an iPhone 7, 8, anything that doesn't have a notch, it's just going to pop up next to whatever icons you already have at the top. Now I'm going to go ahead and let this finish, and we'll be right back when this is done. Alrighty guys, so we're near the end of it. It's not going to tell you when it's complete, and I'll show you in a minute, but the reason for that is because it just says finishing sync, then it goes away. And this is usually the spot where it pops up, and you can minimize it, you can bring it up, you can do all this other stuff. I'm not even sure why it went away, but I do like iTunes for this mainly because it's really easy to manage your music. I even use iTunes to play music. I used to use a Windows Media Player, but honestly, I think it's a little easier because you can put your music on your iTunes and then back it up. That way, when you have to restart your computer and you forgot to back up your music, which I have like 8 backups of my computer just because I can't lose any of my info, it'll back up all your music, which is really nice. So Alrighty guys, so just quickly I wanted to point out that the music is on the device. You should see this somewhere in the video, but I just wanted to point that out. So this is all the music that I have installed. A lot of it's country because I love country, but anyway, so that's just, I just wanted to point out that the music does move over, and obviously it plays and all that and whatever else, and I have artists, I have albums, I can make playlists. I don't even have any made really. I also have genres, and you have all that, so just, yeah, I just wanted to point that out. But yeah, guys, that is how you move music from your iPhone or your computer to your iPhone. Now, I can do a comparison, or not a comparison, but I have an Android phone. If you guys would like me to, let me know in the comments below, and I will show you how to move music to from your computer to your Android, because it's a little more complicated, but it's really not that complicated. It's actually a lot easier in my opinion. And what I do is I use you can go to the link in the description below. There's a video on how to get Pandora 1 for free. I download all my music on my Android phone, and then I move it over to my iPhone, because you cannot, I don't have a jailbroken iPhone, so I don't have that modded Pandora thing. But I also use other apps to play certain music that I don't actually have. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, please let me know in the comments below. Also, drop a like if you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a dislike if you guys did not enjoy the video. Let me know what I did wrong or what I did right. Give me some more video ideas in the comments below. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.